How much more move? Wait. I gotta get in the spot.
Yeah, get your
I'm
spot.
not moving.
Can you left body kick him too?
Yeah. But that's different. Here. This is what you're gonna do. This one you're gonna keep. Like, hold like no. Hold this handle here. And this one, like take it out. Watch. Hold this here. Like this. Don't move.
Do it.
Wait, what? No. Keep your body straight. Move the pad. Right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go.
This is not good.
Let's go. This is for fucking disappearing.
My legs feel weak, bro.
Fucking get mad at him. He fucking
Stop fucking.
he's,
Okay, ready?
he fucking jacked your shit.
One more time. Just stay there though. Don't move. One more. Last time.